Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to do this quick 5-minute style. So you start with the middle part from the front of your head to the crown, then you add 2 more parallel parts above the brow bones. You can tie the rest of your hair up to keep it out of your face and out of the way. I'm using Blue Magic Tea Tree Leave-In Conditioner and Wetline Extreme Gel. Now you want to always make sure that you do a product mix test before you use them together. You do that by blending them on the back of your hand, and if it clumps, don't use it. And if it doesn't, you're good. So now I'm just going to apply these products to my hair really quick, making sure that I get all the way from the roots to the ends. Now that my products are applied, I'm going to split the left section in half and add my oiled rubber band to the section. Oiling your rubber band prevents or reduces breakage. So once I have that section secure, I'm going to go ahead and part the next section directly across from the first and add a little bit of gel and a rubber band. Now I'm going to take the front left section and put it in a twist and pull it diagonally across my hair. You take the back right section and just kind of twirl it until it's secure. Then you add a rubber band combining the 2 pieces. Once that's secure, you take the untwisted piece and put that in another twist, and then you combine the 2 twists together. Then you're going to do the same thing for the other 2 pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of fast forward through these little parts because I'm just basically repeating the same process over again. So now I have this really cute rubber band cross pattern on the top, and the rest I'm going to just kind of put up in a bun. I always use Murray's Edge Wax to get my edges slickety slick. It's the only gel that I have ever used that keeps my hair slick, stuck down. Like, you know that thing you see on Instagram now where people are like, oh, the rub challenge? Like, this is my rub challenge gel, okay? I love Murray's Edge Wax. Anyway, so the bun is up, and now I'm securing it with 1 more rubber band to kind of get it to be the shape that I want it to be. And the next step after this is going to be pinning these twisty hanging down pieces around the bun. That's literally it. You just pin them around. You take it, twirl it, swoop it around, and tuck it. You can of course use bobby pins to secure them a little bit tighter, but I try to avoid the use of bobby pins as much as I can because they give me headaches. So that's it. This is the final look of this rubber band cross bun. I hope this was an easy tutorial for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. And thanks for watching.